Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the NYXI Flash Eyes Cracking Style Wireless Joypad with 8 colors LED light emitted diodes for our Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch OLED version. That's really cool because this device here is a good replacement part to our Joy-Cons, which come with the Nintendo Switch, of course. Because the Nintendo Joy-Cons are so tiny and little. If you like a little bit more space of controller, here you are at the right side. We have one key wake-up function. That means we can use the home button switch on the right side to wake up the right controller. Left is a key screenshot button to wake up this device too. We have the possibility of 3 levels of vibration. 3 levels of vibration provides us an immersive gaming experience. We can choose 0%, we can choose 50% and 100%. We have a 6-axis gyro motion control. With that 6-axis built-in gyro sensor, they provide us with optimal precision and comfort while we are gaming. Built in a 500 milliampere capacity of battery. That means 2 up to 3 hours of charging using a USB-C cable, or of course your Nintendo Switch to reload that device here. Then we can play 8 up to 12 hours. That's cool. That's nice. This device here, or each batch of product they will produce, will take a 13% of samples for 1 million times of stick and button testing to ensure that the quality of the product they send to us customers is qualified. And if we have this at home, we will have a new LED feature on it. These I like really much because it is different. The Joy-Cons does not have something lighting, but here it comes with lighting. But what is possible there? We have different things to do. We can choose the connection mode, of course. There are 2 different connection modes available. We insert the slide rail into the host for use. The host is the Nintendo Switch, and then we pull out the slide rail to automatically connect the Bluetooth back to the host. Okay, that's really easy. Then it is connected. The other way is, in the off state, we press the pair key for 3 seconds to pair, short press the home and capture the key to connect it easily and back. Then we can have a turbo continuous function. There are 3 ways to cycle. We press the turbo key, which is on the back side of each controller, then plus the X key. The X is what you like to make the continuous function or the turbo mode. And we press and hold the key to send the continuous manually. Okay, that is the first time. We press again the turbo key plus a key what we are going to use without pressing and holding the automatic continuous transmission. Then that means you can choose. The first step is to get the back key in function, in a different function as you like. And the second way of this makes it to a continuous way. That's good for games where you have to push buttons a lot of times. That helps you here. And of course, then we press the turbo button again, plus the button we programmed before to continue sending the function, just to continuous firing speed, for example. Okay, that left handle, right button, left handle and right handle. Each handle has 1 turbo button. This is the upper side turbo button, and the other is the M button. Then we can set the motor vibration regulation. Left handle on right handle is the same. There are T buttons for turbo plus the right rocker up button on each device. Then we can increase the motor motion. If we do this with the rocker down, we will go there to the next vibration regulation. Okay, that means first step, second step, third step. Okay, then lightning control. We have the T button plus the L3. T button plus the L3. So then you can change the color changing mode, or the color mode which you like to choose. Then choose your color, and this color is saved there. If it is charging, shut down charging, the LED 4 lights flash slowly, and fully charged is the 4th LED is on for a long time. Then we have the back key function. Single key settings, press and hold the settings key plus a click. You can see there are a lot of different functions at this device here, and this makes it really interesting because there are a lot of different things to do with that controller here. But of course you do not have to use that. You can use this controller only as a controller too, no problem with it. It is lightweight, really lightweight. The vibrations are strong enough to feel something. And if you like big handles, this is the right choice. NYXI is an international B2C switch controllers production and sales integration company. The company mainly focuses on controllers for Nintendo Switch. NYXI mainly target Europe, America, and Australia and the Middle East, along with other consumer markets. The brand was founded in October 2014, and since then it has upheld the philosophy that makes Switch gamers happier. It is business coverage more than 220 countries and regions around the world. And this is the second controller NYXI sent to me, and it's a good controller. It's a good replacement controller with a for big hands, for example. Really cool, and really cool LEDs on it. I like it because it looks great in the darkness. This is the NYXI Flash Eyes Cracking Style Wireless Joypad with 8 colors, light emitted diodes for our Switch and Switch OLED version. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.